But I'll just show you how to play audio now. So if you go to your music like so, just click on that, click there, turn it down. At the bottom you see there, iPhone, Uconnect, there's a tick. That means anything that plays on this phone, any audio, if you have that set right, it will play through the system. Now, onto media. It's already playing there, look. As tears go by, as tears go by. If it's not playing, for instance, that could have been set to Bluetooth. So we'll go back to media. We want this to play. Let's see, just go back to something else. So phone. So we want this to play on here. So we go to media, select source, click Bluetooth. That's it. When I turn this up, I'll turn it up here. When I turn it up here, that's it playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. From any screen, onto nav. You've got the choice there, where to, view map. If you just want to see what's coming ahead of you, click on view map and you'll be able to see where the road bends. But click on where to. We want the address, spell out town, enter postcode. Enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley Dale, Preston. No, we're not. We've moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. Now we may have to put a space in here because it's only 2 digits, but we'll see. 4EA. That's it. PR5 4EA. Select that to confirm that it's the address you wanted, and you don't need to go back. It's just calculating now. I have to say it's taking its time.
The route is being calculated.
And that's it. We'll click yes. That's it done. If you want to stop the navigation, all you do, onto menu, and there you go, stop. Stop all. Do you want to stop the navigation? Yeah. So you've got to tell it 3 or 4 times, but eventually it'll stop. That's it. Thanks for watching.